How to log in MatchTrader. In this video, I will show you how to log into your MatchTrader account quickly and easily, whether you're on desktop or your mobile. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the official website, which is match-trader.com on your browser. Or you can also download the MatchTrader app from the App Store or Google Play if you're using a mobile device. Both options work the same way. So if you want to sign up or log in to your MatchTrader account, all you have to do is to click on this Try Demo button right here on the upper part, and it will automatically redirect you to have a demo account of MatchTrader so that you will be able to see or overlook what it is that is inside of MatchTrader. Now, in order for you to create an account, all you have to do is to click on this profile icon right here on the upper right part, and then you will be able to see that on the bottom of the pop-up, you will be able to see the sign in option. So all you have to do is to click on that and click on sign in right here. Now, if you already have an account right here, simply click on this email button right here and enter your registered email address and enter the password that you have chosen as well. And then all you have to do is to click on sign in. You can also sign in with Google or sign in using Discord. MatchTrader also gives you a choice to sign in using your mobile app. All you have to do is to open your mobile trading app, select the QR symbol from the account tab, and scan the QR code above. And once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your trading dashboard where you can view charts, manage trades, and check your account balance. And from there, you're ready to start using MatchTrader. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.